I am working in a set of photographs that were saved as a collection, and I've navigated using the thumbnails to photo number 19. When you first navigate to a photo, you will be presented with this comment and settings part of the UI. I like to get rid of it. It gives me more room for the photo. And then I can hit the fit to give me the most space to view the photo. If I want to navigate to another photo, I hit this button here, and I go there. The problem is, every time I navigate using these controls, this display comes back. I have to close it again, and then hit fit again. To go to the next one, it's navigate, close this, fit it again. Here, we're viewing the same set of photographs in a photo viewer that's been shared as a collection on Screencast. To navigate to the next photo, I can click this button. Next one, click it, and we move pretty quickly. The view stays exactly the same. I can navigate back, and if I want to navigate to any photo, I can scrub and look at the thumbnail pop-up, or I can open up the table of contents, find something I'm looking for, go to SpongeBob, and we go there. We'll close the table of contents. Back in the photographs that were shared as a collection, we're looking at the thumbnails in the collection, and I will scroll till I find my SpongeBob. And it's one of these guys. I'll think it's this one. And he shows, once again, I need to get rid of this panel and then go fit it. And now we get the same sort of view here. We can still navigate, of course, up. But I got to close. If I want to get a bigger view, fit, and I can go back. And close. There we go. Back in the photo viewer version, I can navigate to the next photo, or go back and back. I'll point out again that during the navigation, I don't have to worry about closing any of the view. Everything stays pretty the same. Back in the collection of photos, if you click full screen, note that you lose your navigation controls. I'll hit fit, which brings most of the guy in view, but you still have no navigation controls. In order to get them back, you have to go out of full screen mode to get your controls back. Back in the photo viewer version itself, you're always looking at it in full screen mode anyway, and as soon as you bring up the controls, you always have your navigation tools back. So you don't lose the ability to navigate even when looking at the photo at the largest scale possible. I personally find that navigation is much faster if you pre-package your photos in a photo viewer, then host them in a collection, than it is if you host the photos in a collection and use that method to view the photos.